Hello. So today I will be discussing this Google Gemini AI. Google Gemini is actually an AI tool from the Google. It has both an paid and free versions. So just write Google Gemini on this Google bar and click on this and you will land here into this Google Gemini page. Let me tell you that you can use both the free and paid version, but the paid version of this Google Gemini AI is superb. It's far more better than your ChatGPT, Claude, and other tools, especially when it comes to analyzing your especially when it comes to analyzing the PDFs, Excel sheets, for data analysis, and for chatting with PDFs. It's extremely really well at extracting data from PDFs. That's really more powerful than your ChatGPT. So for advanced or your paid version, you can click here on try Gemini Advanced and you will go to this payment and locate record and anything else and it will be there. But for free, what you have just another option is to be here, click on upgrade and you go to pay version. But for the free version, here is the option. You can create a new chat and here on the sidebar, they can actually show the history of your previous chats with ChatGPT. Let's say, for example, you are searching for, say, for example, I did a set. I will just quickly show how I did in a couple of days ago. I was searching for topic and malaria, and you can actually do it for anything, for any discipline. Just I gave a command that summarize the current gap in evidence in malaria treatment, and this Gemini actually gave you too many ideas and research gaps related to any topic that are actually not properly well answered in the literature already, and you can use those ideas for your future research. So it gives you a lot of uh, brainstorming ideas. And another thing that I did that uh, is one thing I was looking for research gaps in Asian uh, cardiology. So research gaps in cardiology in Pakistan, find a framework, and it gave me some different gaps related to cardiology in this myocardial infarction, heart failure, other cardiology problems, and it gave me the option for data collection consideration. It gave me some challenge and opportunities, and even I asked prompts like I was uh, showing some tutorial on how you can actually use this Google Gemini AI for solving the problems related to statistical analysis using any app like SPSS, or you can ask about the codes, you can ask about the steps to perform a certain analysis. You can actually paste your whole research objective here and ask it what would be the possible statistical test that should apply to your research, and it will give you the answers for that. You can actually upload the pictures or the metadata and copy paste your statistical outputs here and ask for the interpretation, and it will give you a lot of things, more things that I asked from it related to. So you can do a lot of things with Gemini. It's simple and similar to ChatGPT. Here is a chatbot. You can write anything. Say, for example, you're asking, please, you can ask it to, if, for example, you're doing this research in your institute, and it will just give an outline about that research proposal on this topic, and it will give you outline of the introduction, the certain points that you should focus on your introduction, and certain points that focus on your literature review. I'm not going into detail, you can read it. I'm just showing you how can you play around with this Google Gemini. Then it gives you a lot of research objectives, primary objectives, secondary objectives, and a lot of points on methodology. How can you choose certain study design, study population, intervention, outcome, data collection methods, and instruments, and data analysis plans, expected outcomes, timeline, budget reference, and you can ask it that, you can ask it what could be the possible feasible uh, data collection methods for this project. Click it, and it will give you more ideas. And with each subset of the ideas or responses, you can ask it 100 questions. See, it is giving me possible data collection methods for this topic, and with the primary data collection, which will be patient surveys and focus groups. It could be secondary data collection, like from electronic health reports, from administrative databases, from clinical trial data, registries, claims data, other key consideration. And you can just play around with it. You can ask it to write the first draft of this introduction for you and anything. So this is a very handy tool, and even the free version can do wonders. Just go check out on this Google Gemini and you. Thank you.